open. Here we go.
Jumpers are away, jumpers are
They're
away.
off. At 18,000 feet, the oxygen mask will come off. That will be from his cousin, Andy Farrington. 1,000 feet, he'll hear a beep in his helmet. That will tell him he's halfway home. Momentarily, we'll see his jump team pull their chutes, and that means Luke is all alone for the rest of the way. At 6,000 feet, he'll get another beep in his helmet. There goes the chutes. Luke is on his own. And the crowd on the ground looking up, they have a visual on him right now. He's in. From here, it looked perfect. You just witnessed history being made.